Let's take it back to Aesop's fable. Is it Aesop's fable? The story of the tortoise and the hare, right? And I'm going to use the tortoise. Those of you who object to the tortoise as a metaphor, please remember that tortoises carry the world on their back in some mythology. And in some places, turtles are bringers of peace. So I'm not maligning tortoises. Okay, so let's be nice to tortoises. Alchemists are like the tortoise, right? Slow and steady, except maybe slow and steady up the stairs. And the manifesting generators, the time benders, are like the hare in the story of the tortoise and the hare. They're doop, 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 right? And they're leaping over steps. And you think, oh, well, that's faster than the hare, faster than the tortoise. But it's not faster than the tortoise. Because what happens is, here's little Mr. Tortoise going along, sitting on the plateau, going up one at a time. And here's Mr. Hare going doink, doink, doink. And what we don't realize is that Mr. Hare has to go doink, doink, doink. Oh, I forgot to do that. Doink, doink. Oh, I forgot to do that. So he's going up and down the stairs 30 times because he forgot steps and skipped steps and realized, oh, that step was actually an important step. I now have to go back and fix that step. And by the time they get to the end of the race, they get there at the same time. So I think we have to let go of the idea that, first of all, let's go, okay, everybody get with me right here. This is important. Can we please give up the idea that getting there faster is somehow better? Who said that? We have got to let go of this stupid hack culture thing that we've got where we're looking for the fastest way to get there. No. Okay? There's no merit to speed. Do it your way and do it in a way that brings you joy, and stop defining it's good because it's fast. All right. Right. Even if you have an open route, ask yourself why you're in love with speed. And remember that it's a lie, because as soon as you get to where it is you think you're going, you're going to get another to-do list as soon as you land on that spot. So, okay. All right. So getting the idea that there's speed and that somehow better, people say this to me all the time, like, I'm just a generator. It's like, no, you're an alchemist. You build things from nothing through your dedication and your perseverance and your repetition and your learning. That's amazing. That's not just a generator. Okay, so stop that. We are similar. We're cousins by design. And there are aspects of our designs that are very similar, and not one is better than the other because one moves faster in the beginning than the other. Okay? They just are different. So everybody gets to the finish line when they need to get to the finish line. The only time you don't get to the finish line is when you don't be true to yourself. Okay? All right.